Hello my beautiful super fans. Today I will be showing you how I make my Jamaican fish tea soup. Jamaican fish tea soup, guys. So delicious. I am using these little herring sprats because when you are making your fish tea, guys, you can use any fish you want. I will show you why in just a moment. So come with me in the kitchen. Let's make some fish tea soup. So guys, you want to put your fish in some boiling water and just let them boil right out. I will come back to you in a bit. The next step in making our fish tea soup, you have to mash your fish. Just smash them out like this. And the reason why you're mashing out your fish, remember it's soup and you don't want to be drinking your soup and you're finding bone and all these things go down in your belly. Bone are stuck across where your throat, and so mash the fish. And this is why I told you that you can use any fish you want. People normally use Dr. Fish or so, but guys, when you're going to buy fish to do it like this, use any fish you want. That is just my thing. Look at that. Then when you mash out your fish, you strain it. If you want more water than this, which is what I'm going to do, I'm going to boil this for another 5 minutes so I can get more water to make my soup. So I'll put back this in the pot and maybe put another cup of water in it and boil it again for another 5 minutes. Your liquid, after boiling the fish for another 5 minutes, you just strain everything back into one. And after doing that, if you're going to be using the same pot, you need to wash it to make sure there is no fish bone in it. So we have the desired amount of liquid for our fish tea. Now strain it back into the pot. Now I am going to put in some of my other ingredients. I have pumpkin, carrot, Irish, I have chocho, some okra, pepper, scallion and thyme. You can put in your pumpkin first and the carrots. Just put in everything except for the okra and the scallion and thyme. Those will be going in last. We have a pack of Grace fish tea soup. This is what I use to make mine. You can use any brand you want. And you just put that in like that and allow it to boil before we do anything else. I'm making some soup dumpling for my pot like this. Also adding a Maggi fish seasoning. The final step in our fish tea soup, I I will be putting in my pepper, my scallion and thyme and okra. Just give this a stir and cover it for about 5 more minutes because you don't want your okra to be overcooked. So guys, our fish tea is ready. I'm removing my scallion and thyme. Now it's time to enjoy our soup. Look at this, guys. Jamaican fish tea soup, guys. So delicious.